Greeting everyone, I am Ankit Kumar and I am really thrilled to have you back for the exciting and knowledgeable video. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you top and widely used preposition. And if you remember these words, so definitely you will be able to enhance your vocabulary power as well as your English speaking. And these words are with real examples so that you can comprehend all the words easily with intensity. So I hope that you must be enjoying this video. So please, I only want to request you that please watch this video till the end so that you can build up a different kind of vocabulary power, because vocabulary are the crucial part of the language that I've already told you in the many videos. So without any procrastination, let's get started. The first word is behind. Behind, which means when or somebody is back up something or something else, somebody else. So that time we can say that behind. Let's understand through this example. For example, there is a boy. I can say that I am behind of this boy. And for better understanding, let me tell you in Hindi language, मैं इस लड़के के पीछे हूँ. For example, I am behind of this boy. So this is why I hope that you must have understood this word as well. So the next word is in. I think that it's easy for all of the guy, because I feel that everybody uses this preposition in their day-to-day life conversation. In, which means कि कोई भी चीज़ किसी के अंदर होता है ना, inside. So that time we can say in. Through example, let's start through example. Come here. Come here. So you can see that there is a boy in the room, which means यह लड़का घर के भीतर है. That time we can say that there is a boy inside or in the room. You can use either in or inside. What is out of? Out of, which means if somebody is coming out of home or vehicle, any kind of thing, so we can say out of. Let me tell you in Hindi that जब कोई चीज़ किसी चीज़ के अंदर से बाहर निकलता है और कोई व्यक्ति किसी चीज़ के अंदर से बाहर निकलता है, so that time we can say out of. For example, this boy is coming out of the room. So next word is beside. Beside, which means something is close to another. So we can let me tell you in Hindi language, beside का मतलब होता है कि कोई भी चीज़ किसी चीज़ के नज़दीक होना या बगल में होना. So for example, there is a boy beside me. So let me tell you in Hindi language that ये लड़का मेरे बगल में है. So instead of saying ये लड़का मेरे बगल में है, you can say that there is a boy beside me. So I hope that you must have comprehended this word as well. The next word is in front of. In front of, which means, let me tell you in Hindi, in front of का मतलब होता है कि कोई भी किसी के सामने होना. For example, let me show you through example that there is a boy. So I can say that there is a boy in front of me. So you can see that my face is in front of him. So I hope that you must have understood this word as well.